wastelands through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about the new Kylie Cosmetics collection that's going to be launching partially today, January 17th. The blush and highlighters are going to be launching today, I believe, as well as the eyeliners, and then the rest, the thing that you're seeing on the screen right now, these are the new lip kits, and they will be launching on the 22nd. So I'm going to basically be showing you guys the collection. So we are going to go ahead and get started now, and then at the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys my thoughts on the collection as well as stuff that I want, and then we're going to get into a discussion in the comments on what you guys think of the collection as well. So let's go ahead and get started. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, so let's go ahead and get into the collection.
So first up, brand new lipstick and liner duos for Kylie Cosmetics. I just wanted to do something cute and special for January. I know how much you guys love my traditional lipstick matte formula, so I wanted to create, for those lipstick lovers, I wanted to create a lip liner and a matching lipstick. Okay, excuse me is watching YouTube in the background, but yeah, so I have all new shades. Kylie, I can't wait for Kylie, my favorite color ever. And then yeah, I'm about to swatch all these shades for you guys. Now Stormy wants to take a lipstick. Okay, which one do you want? Which one do you want? Pick one.
I want.
She knows what she wants. Which one, baby?
I want big.
Okay.
I want this one.
Okay. So the same day that I launched my lipstick kits, which is the 22nd, I am going to launch my official highliners. This is a liquid liner pen. I showed you guys the black one in my birthday collection. I am a liner girl. I use liner every day. This has been my favorite. It is really big for me, so I wanted to make sure it was perfection. I have a brown over here and a black coming out. Okay, this I'm really excited about. I didn't want you guys to wait till the 22nd to get something new, so I am adding a new highlighter and a new blush onto the site. These colors are beautiful. So I love a champagne highlighter and I love a pink blush. So these two are gonna be my new everydays. Okay, so first I really want to talk about this blush, and the reason why I made this is because, so these are my personal blushes. I use these every day. That's why they look super used and dirty, so I apologize. But this is Winter Kissed and Baddie on the Block. I love mixing these every day because it creates the perfect color. I would say this is more of like a peachy blush, and this is definitely like a bluey pink, which I love. This is a little lighter and brighter. I love the depth of this. So anyway, I mixed these, and I created Pink Dreams, which is the name of this, because I wanted these two blushes to have a little baby, so I didn't have to mix them anymore. So this is kind of the color that comes out when I mix those two. So anyway, the point is, this is magical. Okay, so as you can see, this highlighter, which is called Sunday Brunch, is a lot different than the highlighters that I already have. This is so beautiful. The bulk tone's really pretty, but it looks prettier on, so I'm going to swatch them for you guys. All right, now I want to show you guys what this highlighter looks like on.
Okay guys, so that's a wrap. That is Kylie Cosmetics' first launch of 2020. I want to know what you guys think below. What are you guys picking up from the collection if you're getting anything? For me personally, I have not actually tried her cream formula lipsticks. I only have tried her velvets and her mattes. So I do kind of want to try her traditional lipstick formula. It's been on my list of things to try makeup wise for a while now. I really like the colors Coco K because that is one of my favorite matte lipsticks. I actually went through my whole matte liquid lipstick in Coco K, so I would definitely get that one, as well as Kylie because I have not tried that color yet. And as well as the eyeliners, I don't really use liquid eyeliner since I have lash extensions, but they look really good and definitely improved from her first launch when she launched her eyeliners the first time. So they look a lot nicer, a lot smoother this time around. Okay, so the blush and highlighter, I think that these are so pretty. I have not actually bought an individual Kylie blush or highlighter individually. I've only tried her wet set and her loose powder highlighters, but the color of this highlighter in Sunday Brunch is such a pretty gold. I think it looks gorgeous and I totally would try it. Also, the blush, I really want Winter Kiss. It's been, again, on my list of things to buy for a while now, so Winter Kiss is not the one in this collection. This one is called Pink Dreams, and I think it's such a gorgeous color, honestly. It's if you don't want too much of a warm tone blush and you don't want too much of a cool tone, it's kind of in the middle, and I think that this would work great on a lot of skin tones as well as the highlighters. So I definitely have these two items on my list. Now, as far as if I'm going to buy anything from this collection, the answer is probably not in the near future, just because of the makeup launches that are launching in January. It's been kind of crazy. So the Amrezy palette is coming out this week and I'm going to be picking that one up. So this collection is kind of a skip for me for now, but that doesn't mean I'm going to not get anything in the future. I'll probably buy something at some point. But as far as this week's launches, I think the biggest launch right now is the Amrezy palette from Sephora, or rather available at Sephora, but from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and that's what I'm going to be picking up makeup-wise this week. Also, I'm going to be trying a lipstick, a lip gloss, lip product no buy for at least the beginning part of the year. I don't really have expectations on myself as far as, you know, I'm going to reach a full year without buying lip products, but I also think that I'm gonna likely fail miserably at this because lip products are my favorite thing ever, but I'm trying not to buy lip products at the moment, so I'm gonna be skipping out on the lipsticks for now, but they are really pretty. So yeah guys, those are my final thoughts on the new Kylie collection, the first collection of 2020. What do you guys think? Let me know below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more sneak peek videos like this. If you guys like the little commentary at the end, let me know as well, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye everyone.